Here we have a part that we are getting data analysis on, and we are selecting different reports that we want to generate. GD&T is one example, and we're adding it to the list that we can then generate. A quick export, and it puts out a PDF where you can easily start analyzing the data analysis of all of the measurements you called out for and the individual heat map of the separation and all of the specific details in a large clean PDF, easily exported, and you can bring all of these directly into your file folders you selected. These reports are automatically generated once you've set up the files and can be repeatable across the board. Each time that you need to generate a new part can be added to Control X and then run this same autonomous program, and you can do all of the inspection and export all the reports seamlessly, super quick.